everybody. It is, oh, there goes our cupboard. I need to close that. Hang tight, y'all. But are you farting?
Well, quite frankly, it's annoying.
Well, quite frankly, it's disgusting when you fart all day long.
Well, I don't always fart.
But did you just fart?
No.
Good morning, everybody. We are leaving Puebla? We're leaving Poo today. We're leaving Puebla City to head to Oaxaca. We're going to stop in Oaxaca City for the day, try to see some of the sights around there. Apparently the world's biggest tree is there. Buddy wants to be in the shot. Good morning, buddy.
How'd you sleep?
How cute are you with your new beard? Look at you.
How'd you sleep, buddy?
I slept really good, actually.
We slept on the street. On like a very busy street.
Usually on long drives to pass the time, we listen to podcasts or music, that kind of thing. Today I thought I'd do something different.
Sometimes we just talk about our feelings.
Sometimes we do just talk about our feelings, don't we?
Yeah.
Today I thought I'd do something really fun on my Instagram. I had a post and I asked people to ask me questions and I'm gonna answer them on my stories. So if you're not following Eamon and I on Instagram, here are our handles. Go check us out and I was gonna say subscribe. What's the word on Instagram? Follow. Go follow us so that you can connect to us. We're really active in that community, so we'd love to connect with you there. Okay, that's all for now. I'm gonna go answer my story questions.
We haven't really had breakfast yet today, so Beck's making us a smoothie.
Want some matcha in it?
Yeah, that'd be great.
What?
Matcha, peanut butter, and frozen banana. So our new trick is because our freezer is so small, we used to try and do ice, but now we just collect banana and make it cold, frio, frozen banana. Buddy, that was probably the fastest anyone's ever made a smoothie.
Oh, I should blend it more?
No, I mean we're going 120 kilometers an hour and you're making a smoothie.
Good one. So Eamon's just passed Christian because we really want to pull over and take some photos, maybe some epic drone shots, and he just wasn't getting the memo on all of our honking. Eamon loves testing the boundaries of things. He crashed our drone.
We're going on a mission to get it now. We got our rope. Posty's got his shoes on.
We got the boots, baby. We can. Perfect. Hold me, ready?
I got you.
Perfect shape.
Except the...
All right.
Oh no, the battery's out. Oh, here it is.
Got it?
Yeah.
Thanks, buddy.
Drone rescue mission, #1 success.
Not gonna be the last time we do that either.
Definitely not.
Oh man. Come on, let's go. There's just trash everywhere.
Great success.
Holy fuck, this thing's beeping like crazy.
No es problema.
Seriously?
Yeah, it looks fun. Very small pilot error, where I looked back at the road for 1 second and then I was just going a little too low and just...
Oh,
The thing is, we were going too fast. The cars were going too fast, so it caught behind me. And so I just looked up, like, to see, like, where you were, you know? And it just rolled out. So the battery flew out, but it's...
You got the battery?
Yeah. It looks like it's in great shape.
I think they're asking for money, actually, buddy.
Well, we got a bit of a protest going on.
I don't think it's a protest. So
I think
much.
it's... Oh, they're looking for a ride.
Yeah.
Oaxaca City, and it looks like a very cool city, although we're not going to spend a lot of time here right now. We're quickly stopping at a little cafe that one of our homies, Brie Potter,
If you're an OG viewer of Eamon and Beck, when we were travel bugs, you'll know Brie from Canada.
You'll know Brie Potter.
Yeah.
She said they have amazing avo and toast, as well as soy flatties. So we finna hit that.
Birds flying high.
That lunch
Listen, Brie Potter, that lunch
was
perfect. Bueno. Bueno, let's roll out.
Now the crew is rolling out. We're headed to the ruins, which are only 3 miles from here. And then from there, we're gonna check out the world's largest tree. What's up, bro?
Deliberate for the crew here.
We are rolling up to the ruins. I don't know what that means, but that's what we're doing.
It's pretty gangster. That was like a line bar right there, baby.
You know what it means?
Doing. I know what it means. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Give them the.
Give them the history.
I don't know where in the world we're going here. I have no idea about this place. It's
Oh.
just an incredible ruins. So
Sweet.
check this out, Ian.
How old are you, dude?
Wow.
It's exactly how you get herpes.
Yeah.
Birds flying high. Breeze drifting on by. You know how I feel. Birds flying high. Sun in the sky, sun in the sky. You know how I feel. It's the
That's a wrap.
That's a wrap on the ruins here.
ruins.
Had a great time, very, very impressive. I think we must have said it at least 4 or 5 times each. Wouldn't it be so cool to insert ourselves,
So cool.
you know, 2,000 years ago when this was all going down and just live in that for 5 minutes?
It's a new dawn, it's a new day. It's a new life for me, yeah. It's a new dawn for me.
Yo, squad, just want to make sure we've got some direction going here. Okay, are we going to the tree or we? Okay. Okay, homeboy. This little speed demon is causing a traffic jam.
No idea.
Oh,
So
fudge.
this is where it's like in 600 meters. Your destination is on the left. So I guess in 600, we tried through this field. Maybe. You have a friend?
Yeah, Noel. Noel.
Oh, but it's not just Noel.
Nawel.
Huh?
Nawel.
Hi, Noel.
N-A-W. Not Noel. Nawel.
So have you been here before?
No.
No. Well, let's give this a go, guys.
Dude, I think priority number 1 tomorrow is walkie-talkies.
Yeah, without a doubt, 100%.
You were thinking about that already?
I had so many things I wanted to tell you as we were driving by. Just
Yeah.
chit chat things, you know.
Oh, dude.
Like, hey, don't
gonna
wreck
be
your drone into that bridge, dude. Oh, don't wreck your drone on this. Oh, you wrecked it.
I feel like I'd miss you a lot less if
I
you could just
know, I
communicate at
know.
all
It's
It's gonna be
times.
so annoying
Yeah.
for Aubrey and I. We're just like trying to talk to our none, and the boys are just over and out.
I feel like Posty and I will be playing each other Post Malone through the walkie-talkie. Hola.
Buenas tardes.
Buenas tardes. Para dos.
Dos.
Muchas gracias. Holy smokes, it doesn't even fit in the frame, Bubs. We need the wide angle. It's huge.
Oh my god.
Oh.
We're asking you, we were saying like, is being a solo female traveler scary in Mexico? Or have you had any bad experiences? And you said, no.
In Mexico,
Yeah,
no.
but
In LA,
Yeah.
I
Robbed.
robbed.
Were you really?
yeah, at gun.
Gunpoint.
No, are you serious?
Yeah.
Whoa.
The night at 10 p.m. with another girl. Yeah.
And the guy said, give me your bag.
Yeah.
And she was loco. And she goes, no.
No,
This has my passports, please,
my
please.
passport, my phone.
Everyone warns you, don't go to Mexico. And it's like the States warning you or Canada
Right,
warning you.
right.
And yet these things are happening everywhere. So
Yeah. So
don't let the rumors about Mexico stop you from coming to Mexico. You know what I mean?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, so
No.
we're parked up for the night. And we're just going to fill up agua. We met a very cute amiga. Hola, amiga.
Hola.
And 25 pesos, you can refill your jug.
Bueno, muchas gracias.
You had a fun day?
I had a great day. Loved the drive. Loved going to that lunch spot. Loved checking out those ruins.
Yeah, it was banging. And to
gonna
wrap
be
it off,
amazing.
we're making a Lauren Toyota special.
We love you, Lauren.
Chicken nacho cheese. We're making a Jerry Maroney signature. What is it, babe? Like a
It's a gnocchi tomato soup with Italian sausage, only
So
we
good.
use field roast sausage. God, field roast, when are you gonna sponsor us? Let's get real here.
So hope you enjoyed the vid. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to smash that like button. Do whatever you want to do.
Don't forget to hit
Be
that
nice to
bell.
other people.
Yeah, be kind to one another, everybody. think that's Ellen's
Goodbye, buddy.
thing, but you know, just be kind.
Just goodbye.
Just bye.
I don't like doing this though. I hate it.
It's important to keep the house clean, buddy. Your feet were so dirty. You look like such a little nugget.
Bueno.